cards and all related to earphones, everything related to electronic only. So we'll be throwing everywhere or on the roads and everywhere. So it will affect to our health also while throwing in the dustbin or everywhere. So this is the plastic waste management. We'll be throwing the plastic here and there. So this will also cost to our health and in the roadside or everywhere. If we are eating food and we'll be throwing on the road only, that plastic plates or everything. So that will also affect to our health also. Okay, health hazards. See, the workers are not taking the precautions while they are dumping the wastage in the can or trucks. So this will affect to the workers as well as for ourselves also by dumping improperly and everywhere. So all these are related to the workers, poor public awareness and rapid urbanization and not taking proper precautions also will cause to our lives and health also. So the wastage which are going on the truck they will be going fastly, and the wastage will be fallen out from the truck and it will fall on the roads and here and there. So that will affect to our body and health also, and they are not picking up properly and they are not covered the trucks and okay. So here how AI is entering to this. So smart waste classification, route optimization, real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance of equipment. So how smart waste classification? So classification means here are girls and here are boys. So same as AI will apply. This is metal items, this is plastic items. So by analyzing, it will segregate the parts of plastic waste and metal waste and everything. Then it will dump into a different dustbins. Yeah. So here you can see how it is segregating whether it is a metal or it is a plastic. So through neural networks and through deep learning and through AI, it is segregating the wastage of the dump, and then it is classification. And also here also it is segregating the wastage and it will dump into the respective dustbins and it will be sent to the dump yard. Okay, so as I have said, what technologies we are using is machine learning, AI, deep learning, IoT and smart sensors, robotic automation and data analysis, how much the dump yard is filled and how much to be cleaned, how much to be need to be dumped. So all this done by data analytics and predictive modeling. Oh, so this is what I said, classification on machine learning. These are the new terms to you, deep learning. So as we give an image to the ChatGPT, then it will recognize what the image, yes or no. So behind that deep learning and AI, these all technologies will be involved. So it will classify or recognize what the image contains and then it will segregate the parts. So these all technologies will be applying there and it will segregate the parts, plastic, glass, metal, and it will dump to the respective dustbins and dump yards. So currently computer vision and robotic arms, it's trending, and it is also trending in hospitality also, and in operations and everything it is trending. So this robotic arms, it will having fingers also and arm also. It will pick the metal or glass item, then it will dump into the other dustbin or respective bins, then it will segregate. So here also deep learning and IoT and sensors, everything is involved. So in deep learning and classification, as I have said earlier, so this real-time recognition, everything will be happen using there will be some frameworks like YOLO and everything. So by using this, and for this deploying, we will be using AWS or cloud, Azure, Google. These all words you have familiar, right? So this is an example where it is segregating the parts such as glass, metal and everything. So these are the robotic arms. These arms will be connected to the sensor and this will be connected to the deep learning or deep learning model and AI. So it will be segregating based on the weightage as well as the recognition. It will recognize how much, what is a part, whether it is a plastic or a glass. Then it will dump to the respective bins. It will dump to the respective bins, and then it will send it to the dump yards. And it will also, some parts will be used for recycling also. So next, yeah, the IoT, smart sensors and data analytics. So data analytics, IoT and this all camera, sensors, this all will be involved in. So along camera and sensors, machine learning, deep learning, AI will also involve. It will capture and then it will be sent it to AI. AI will analyze and it will give a command to the sensor, and the large amount of data will be segregated and analyzed by data analytics. So these data analytics will be used in the waste management also. And such as sensor fill level, weightage, gas, humidity. So all this will be, and cloud dashboards. So to reduce the cost effective also, the sensor is sending a large amount of data. So it will segregate by data analytics, then it will be stored in the cloud, and the respective user will be segregating and giving a command to the respective person, and the person will be going to the place and he will be looking after the waste management and dump yards and bins also. So these are some of the startups. Recycle, ISWA Robotic Systems, Gonevi Technologies, Recon Panels, Without, Vios, Trashcons. So these are some startups. They have working since few years based on the waste management only. So they will be looking after and how they will reduce the waste management and it causes effect to our health also. So these are some of the good companies. They have come up with good technologies and ideas. So Recycle, it is located in this company from Hyderabad only. Digital waste marketplace. Google AI used for segregation. Okay, Google AI used for segregation means in that they have developed a small application which is used for AI based. It will be segregating the parts of the wastage, material, glass, and then it will be dumped to the respective. So this how AI how it helps means instead of it reduces the labor cost, and also it gives a fast results and accurate results to the respective consider user. Okay, this is ISWA Robotic Systems which is located from Ahmedabad. Okay, it processes 6 tons per hour, and also so these robotic arms will be, okay, these robotic arms will be segregating and pick upping the plastic and dumping in the dump yard. So it is also cost effective and reduce the labor cost, and it gives fast results, and it works more than the person or a human. Okay, it can after collecting the dump wastage, and then it will be converting the plastic wastage into fuel. So this company, this is a good company where from the past few years it converting the plastic into fuel, and it will be useful for recycle and for daily purposes also. Reduces transports and carbon footprint and processing unit. Okay, next. Okay, durable alternative. Okay, so it is a Recon panels. It's where it converts the wastage into where we can use for, instead of plywood, we can use that wastage. So as you can see, there are some chairs built completely on wastage only. So these type of companies deals with the wastage and it recycle, and then it will be converted into a useful product. This is Without Asha from Pune, recycles hard to process plastic. So it processes the plastic wastage into the useful thing, and also it is a eco-friendly company where it reduces the it collects the plastage and then converts into a useful product, produces eyewear, accessories from the plastic wastage only. So, okay, how AI and how IoT is analyzed means, so here it optimizes a route. See, suppose there are 3 colonies. So, it optimizes a route and then it collects the wastage and then it goes to a respective dump yard and it will be, and then these all companies will be tie up to another company so that this wastage will be going to the some other company and it will be recycled trash can or a trash bot. It is a machine where it segregates. Okay, where it is segregates as we have discussed, such as metal, glass, plastic, paper, and everything will be segregated separately, and then it will be dumped to a different can or container or dustbins. Okay, this is a good goodie bag. So it's this company from Guwahati. So this is the app-based collection where we can scan the QR code, and from there we can download the application, and then if there is a large amount of wastage, we can contact them directly and they will be coming to our place and they will be picking up the dump wastage and they will be sending it to a dump wastage. Okay. And it has 2000 plus home onboards and reward based segregation model also. So it automatically segregates the plastic wastage or glass, metal, paper, cardboards and everything. It can done. So there are few challenges using AI, such as cost effective for the cloud. If you are deploying any AI application in the cloud, it will be cost effective also, and also municipal cooperation. So some will be not cooperating by doing this, and public awareness must be there for AI applications which we are deploying in the cloud, and also tech scalability in rural areas, higher hardware. Okay, it's also cost for hardware also. Okay, now anyone interested in hands-on? Like, are you having any ideas related to like creating a small application through AI? Creating a small application which is used for waste management, a dashboard, a basic dashboard, collecting a dump yard, or calling creating an organization where we can call them and they will come to our place and pick the wastage. Any ideas like this related to this topic only? So that we can create a ASAP web application like that. Are you having any ideas related to creating an application using? We can use that AI tools in any field also, such as medical, civil, electronics. How it is useful? By creating a chatbot. It is useful. If you are a ECE, then by creating a chatbot, then it will help you. What will be doing next steps? If you ask any question, that chatbot will be responded from your database, not from the globally. And you can use your create your own chatbot also. Okay, definitely. Yeah. Definitely. I'll show you related to our topic on the waste management. We will be creating a small dashboard. How AI will be replacing front-end developers. Because AI is creating more than the front-end developers can do. It is how advanced is if a front-end person can do or a team can do in 10 days, 15 days, AI is doing within 20 minutes, half an hour. That advanced case.
And we should have some knowledge about ChatGPT also.
Yeah.
That's also we should have that knowledge. Or we can sit ChatGPT.
No, we can use any AI tools. But nowadays, it became more flexible such that for full stack, separate AI tool. For daily purposes, we'll be having separate AI tool.
All these things we have to download and we have.
No. We can directly use it from Google only. Yeah, from website
That
only.
you please show.
Yeah, we have to register it and we have to use it.
That one tool
Yeah, definitely.
is to show you.
Yeah, definitely. You can create your own website also for portfolio, any startup website also. Not contacting any person, you can create yourself also using that AI tool. So any ideas related to our topic, we can create a small website. Any ideas? Without having zero knowledge. Even I am also having no knowledge. But using a message, yeah, I agree. But using a, giving a message, it will automatically create it. So it will, so no front-end, back-end developer is required. Just basic knowledge. As we both are conversing in a WhatsApp or normal message, it will also, will be giving a message and it will debug and everything will be done by AI tool only. Yeah, front-end, back-end also. And back-end developers also replaced by AI only, most of the things. Yeah. It's in our fingertip only. In WhatsApp also we can ask questions and we can get answers from the WhatsApp also. So any idea, sir, regarding this? Any web application? Continue. Okay. So here we'll be giving tools, full stack AI tools. It can create front end, back end, and it can connect to the database, which is connect to the cloud only. So we can give a prompt like create a website for waste management system, and it also and we can give a prompt and for it contains all the necessary pages such as home, dashboard, services, places, cities, and it should be mobile responsive also. If you are looking in a website desktop, it should be one size, and if you are looking in a mobile, then the website should be compatible to the mobile also. So these are the few tools which can create a website for backend and front end also. It connects to the backend and front end frameworks such as React, JavaScript, HTML. It can create all the necessary files, and there is a good option to deploy also. By single click, it will deploy to the cloud and create a website link, and we can share it to our friends or family also. It will also generate the complete lengthy prompt to create a necessary website, and by using ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI tool, we'll be getting the from starting page to ending page, each and every components where the necessary needs to be placed, and we'll be giving the message or complete prompt to the full stack application, and it will be generating the complete web application also connected to the database such as Supabase or Firebase, and we'll be integrating the API keys in the web application, and it will be by single click it will be uploaded in the cloud also by single click, and these can be replaced by front end and back end developers also. So we no need to require a team of 100 members or 50 members. A team of 3-4 can do a complete web application using AI tools nowadays. As you see, it is thinking what are the necessary pages to include in the website, and it is generating the code as it itself. So you have heard about agentic AI, agents. So in this, agents have been involved. So what are agents means? If there are 3-4 persons, we are telling them, you go and see to look into that person what is doing, what the faculty is doing. So instead of it is a replicate of person or human being, it will do automatically. It will assign task to another AI LLM. So by using agents, it will automatically create a website for our waste management system, contains all the necessary pages. You can create lots of front end and back end web applications, and you can sell it in online also. There are many persons who can buy the websites. And also in your website, you can integrate your chatbot with free of cost to a certain limit for your use cases, and you can instruct your chatbot such that it should give only these responses to the user. If it is a medical chatbot, and you're asking about the physics, chemistry, and it should not give. So we'll be keeping some limitations to the chatbot, and it will be giving responses to the only medical field. So any field we can integrate a chatbot. It's named as Smart Learners for our company, and using AI tool only. No ground level coding. And the first app is using React, and next thing is React with Next.js. So this is what I have created yesterday only. Within 1 hour I have created this website using completely AI tool in my VS Code only. I haven't used any the thing which I have showed like Vercel or Bolt application, completely from our terminal only, command from terminal. So these are the required pages and everything I have created using AI tool only. So this much how advanced AI is coming. So nowadays AI is using in hospitality also. So make use of AI tools and create applications of your needs.
We can make many projects in this lecture. For example, you are going to, if you are design any project such a way that you implement the doctor appointment, right? How we are going to implement the doctor appointment? By using of web server. If we don't know where it is, where is the doctor, what is the doctor condition, what the doctor can diagnose, what is the patient condition, these all things can made by web application like server, right? So another one is that many projects like allocation of timetable, we can make the timetable by using of web applications. It's a many project we can done by this lecture. What we are going to do? We have to know how to use the AI applications. అదొక్కటి తెలిస్తే చాలు, రైట్? అది నేర్చుకోవడం వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్, రైట్? థ్యాంక్ యూ
everyone for coming and listening. Thank you management for giving opportunity.